Guys, so in last video we introduced that we're going to be voice trolling as Melon1X. So to do the voice, first you gotta get your voice lower until you get to the lower point until you stop. And then you gotta so that's how you do it. Anyway, let's go. Though you gotta turn down your mic if anyone's loud. And also turn down your volume so your parents don't hear it and talking to random people. But if you don't, then you might get into trouble and get your phone taken away. If you're a teenager, you can keep your audio up. Unless if you're an adult. Boing. Though I'm a kid though. So yeah, I'm gonna turn down a little bit. So let's go. Bro, what happened here, bro?
I'm not gonna say who it is, but if you know, you know. Now I want everyone to understand my so in this video I'll be playing every encounter we ever had in order so you guys understand where we are today.
Madman, bro. Yeah. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. Okay, dude.
Fucking fire yet? So I went over there and there were 2 dead bodies.
Okay, dude. And
I was doing like 2 toxics. I don't know who's the killer, but I don't know who to vote, but everybody was sprinting to the I don't know what that called, but I don't know who to vote, but I think I'm gonna vote number.
okay.
What I don't know what vote.
Trust me, y'all, it's number 4. So, you'll see at the end. Number 3, you didn't have to be rude. Number 7 was just explaining.
Okay, dude.
Instead of being saying, oh, I found a dead body, he actually explained. So, where was the body? What was he doing? So, yeah.
Okay, so where are you going to be, number 5?
You just sound like me when I'm the killer, so I'm just gonna vote you. Bruh.
I'm gonna vote.
How does he sound like you? When I'm lying, so. Yeah, when you're lying, everybody has a different voice when they're lying. Bitch. didn't I even ask you?
Damn.
Yeah, much
Shut the
good.
shut the Okay, dude, we just started. Okay, dude, we just started. This is mass infection. This is mass infection. This is mass infection.
I watched number 3 kill number 5. I'm the Pewee. Not gonna say which one, but merch number 3.
Okay, dude. Oh, okay. Let me just take an ad break for a sec. Let's just take an ad break.
Triangle. We know what hole that goes into, right?
Triangle.
That's right. Square hole.
Racing car, do you?
I sleep in a big bed with my wife.
I sleep in a racing car, do you?
I sleep in a big bed with my wife.
I sleep. Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
Sigma and I feel so Sigma and
I steal cheese. You can't catch me.
Go put on something more comfortable.
Just as long as it isn't the fish hat again.
The fish hat again! I'm gonna go put on something more patties and...
Hush, little hater, don't make a sound. I'm the reason your peace ain't found. Every move I make, you scroll, you stare. Wishing you could glow like you don't care. Hush, little hater, don't...
You can pick up the torch.
Why am I never...
You can pick up the...
It's hard to believe she's already 18. Glenn Quagmire. Let's get this clear. That pathetic excuse for a joke you just spat out is stupid, fucked up, and makes you look like a goddamn idiot. It's hard to believe she's already 18. Glenn Quagmire.
Don't pee on the
the floor, use the Commodore. Yeah, la 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 la.
Hey, did you know that you sleep talk sometimes? You do. Hey.
Okay, guys, ad break is over. So, before we end the video here, let's just take a quick screech and a gameplay. Okay, now let's get back to where we were. Okay, dude, what the fuck is
I
it?
just played a game trying to win. I mean, even if number 2
it's just gonna let more and more kids in here, and then she's gonna start the game.
But not kick them out. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Fuck! Are you kidding me? Okay, dude. Okay. I got this. I got this.
I was doing my lookout task, and then I have verified the fire was there. I saw number 12 kill number 3 when he went to do the fire. Then she was running out, so then I killed her.
Y'all mad at me because the game started and I was trying to kick them. Right when I heard y'all say pick number 9, I was about to, and then the game started. Like, please pipe down. I put the fire out in the study, and I was on my way to the kitchen when this was called.
Feel so Sigma.
But maybe just put the room private next time, so you got time to kick.
Okay, first, nobody asked you. Second of all, nobody cares about you.
They're multiplying. See, 11, I told you something was about to go down by that study room. Didn't I tell you, 11? Didn't I tell you? I said, come on, let's go towards the kitchen because something about to go down.
Damn, bro. Yeah, niggas was, I don't know what the fuck I was doing, gang. But shit, it ain't me, though. Damn. Okay.
Oh my god, that sound. Okay. I didn't hear any. All I heard was number 7 something, so it was number 8. Anyways, I was sitting on top of the bench watching Stay With Matter because I just wanted to trick people. If y'all want to vote me, y'all can, but you never know. I might be the Joker.
I don't know why I'm getting kicked. Because even if number 2 did get voted out, we would still lose anyways, so it's not a big deal. Plus, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I can leave, but you don't have to kick me out. I'm just going to keep coming back too. We multiply.
She said they multiply, but they have been
Shut up.
multiplying. And you have been told multiple times that there are kids in here and that you should kick them. But you haven't been because you're AFK and then you're not. There are 3 of these little motherfuckers in here.
They is multiplying number 6. You was right. We had to get the fuck on. Something wasn't right up there. So, yeah. It's crazy. Just crazy. Kids. All these kids. Oh, I ain't know the last person. My bad.
We multiply. So even if you kick one of us, we're still gonna come back.
No, when we kick all y'all, say like, hey. I ain't gonna lie. I'm
Number 9 is the boldest. She's scary.
Okay, so first, shut up.
Yeah, we voting all these niggas, gay. Vote all these niggas out, bro. Yeah. Started with number 9 first.
Corey, where you want me to meet you?
Start with 8. Start with 8.
You can meet me wherever you want to be at. By the hall, you can meet.
One thing about it, I don't play about my man. Pulling killed him. I seen the slash when I was in the storage room. I get down there, he just laying there with nobody around. So they did a hit and run and left him in the middle of the street.
Let's see what task I did this round. I did some wires in the arcade. I did fix the bombs with I think that was 10 and another number. And then this body was reported shortly after that.
I was with 11.
You know, whoever the killer is, I don't know.
Can you meet me at camp?
Can we vote 5 out? Because what the fuck?
Like, is that him breathing? Is that a snore? I thought it was a
that's
long
a video. He's doing that shit on purpose. Video. You're not supposed to do that. You're not.
Whilst this guy was sleeping with a tape on his mouth, his sister decided to take it off, only to be met with the weirdest face she had ever seen.
I'm not even mad at you.